Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I bought another plane. I don't need another plane. But I bought another plane. In fact, nobody needs this particular plane. But it does match my number 6, my Type 6 number 6 Stanley. So it was made approximately 130 years ago. It is a Type 6 number 8. And it's in this box. I got it once again from the Can I Have It Facebook page. I'll leave a link to that in the description if you're interested in buying old tools. It's a great place to hang out and look at /shop for /drool over old tools that people are selling that you can get. Let's get into it. We'll get it set up and we'll see if we can take a shaving with it. Just straight as it came. We'll talk about how much I paid and why I got it, which I still don't really know. Other than that, sometimes you have to buy things because you wanted to. Damn it. Let's get it open. Come on. Knife. All right, I'm just gonna... paper. And then the more paper. And then the box. Okay. Oh, nice. More tape. Oh, maybe not. There we go. Oh, look at this. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, well packaged with the big fat bubbles around the outside of a wooden crate, also wrapped in more bubbles. On top of more bubbles. Atta guy. This is how you pack a plane. Wow. Nobody needs this. Oh, found our first piece. Individually bubble wrapped ingredients. There's our knob. There we go. We got ourselves a wooden, plywood, 3/4 inch plywood crate. This is the first plane that I've purchased that I need to actually get out. Oh, there we go. That's labeled parts. We've got individually wrapped. Brent Parkin did a fantastic job. There's our lever cap. Yeah, Parkin did a fantastic job packing this. Here is our blade and cap iron. pretty sharp. Now, now let's get the rest of this out of here. And free screws. Go cross pieces out of here. Frog. Come on. Nobody needs this. All right, let's put it together and set it up. Good job. Good job, Brett Parkin. That's a good packing job right there. Okay, so while I'm putting this together, I'm going to talk about the how and why and things of this plane. It just happened to stumble across my feed when it was put up on the Can I Have It Facebook page. It is a number 6, so it's matchy-matchy. Or it's a type 6, so it's matchy-matchy with my number 6. Made between 1888 and 1892, I believe. And nobody needs a number 8, really. I don't think. But man, it's gonna be awesome that I have it. So we got all of our bits. These guys go down in here. And yeah, the price was right on it. If you want a number 8 of quality these days, you're buying it from Lee Nielsen and you're paying 500 American dollars for it. And it's probably not in stock. And you're gonna have to wait a significant amount of time for it. Put the washer on first. And I got this. Yeah, hold on. Trying to talk and do stuff at the same time. I got this for 220 Canadian dollars. Shipped to my door. I got it for 150 bucks American plus shipping, and it came from about halfway across Canada. So the shipping on it was only about 30 bucks, even with all of that wonderful packing that Brent did. $220 after conversion from American dollars, because the Can I Have It page is based in American dollars. We'll put it there to start, and we'll adjust from there. That is that. This is that. This just clips in there. Go. This goes in there, I think. I'm never great with the which bolt goes into which, but that seems right. That's a giant plane. It weighs a ton. Let's see if just straight out of Brent Parkin's crate we can take a shaving with it. Yeah, actually, we're not going to straight out of the crate take a shaving with it, because I have to do a quick adjustment on the frog so it's this way is better. And go, we want it protruding evenly. A little high on this side still. All right. Let's see. Now, normally I would not start with a number 8. Oh, nice. Straight out of the box. Good work, Brent Parkin. There we go. Three strokes down the side of this thing. And it's taking a full length shaving. And it is flat. Now it's not. There we go. That's full shave. Let's see if I manage to keep it square. Pretty damn close. So like I said, nobody needs a number 8. I mean, okay, there might be some people who need a number 8, but you probably don't. But I don't care. I don't need a number 8, and it's beautiful and gorgeous, and I love it, and it's heavy, and even if I use it 4 times for the rest of my life, I'm happy it's mine. This thing is, just in case you're unfamiliar with a number 8, this thing is 23 3/4 inches long. It is 3 1/8 inches wide. And the blade will do most of that. I'm not sure I have a shelf big enough for it on my plane wall, because I was never, when I made my plane wall, I was never planning on having an 8 on it. That's fine. It'll get up there and it'll live there. And every time I look at it, I'll smile. And I'll think about how I don't need that. But maybe I'm going to use it right now. This is my 130-ish year old number 8 Stanley Type 6. I'm going to put a little more, I'm going to do a little bit of oiling on the tote. Knob's pretty good. I'm going to do a quick coat of like an oil and wax just to make that a little bit nicer to the touch. Other than that, I'm happy. That's gorgeous. It's about, I want to say about 80% Japanning left on it. And for a 130-year-old plane that obviously was getting work done, for $220 delivered to my door versus $500 American for a new Lee Nielsen, I don't know. I'm happy. Anyway, that's it for this one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. We'll see you next time. Go buy something you don't need, but you want. Because it's awesome. It's awesome. Thanks, Brent Parkin, for the wonderful packing job. And bye for now. Yeah. Look at it. It's enormous. It's enormous. And I love it.